Myself Shaurya, I'm the General Manager Sales and Operations for Detailing Mafia, the franchising division. Harshit Kanodia and Vineet have joined us from Kolkata. They are the franchisee owners for our first store in East, which is in Kolkata. They, as you see from their faces, they look as young, and they are actually as young as they look. They invested with us and started this business right after their graduations. They have worked really hard in building this store in Kolkata, and they actually have delivered in context of giving exactly as per the SOPs of our brands, and they have been working very good over there. Over to you, Harshit and Vineet. Care to explain us about how your journey has been till now, and how long have you been invested with us?
So we started dealing with the Detailing Mafia last year, and the process was really good. We have opened our store a month back, and the response we got in the first opening month was tremendous. We didn't expect this good response from the customers. It's basically mainly due to the products we use, the products that are delivered by the Man Machine Car Care Group, starting from a basic applicator pad, brushes to all the ceramic coating PPFs. There is no other product in the market that can match the quality of these products. So our main selling point is the quality that we use. So the response is really good, and the support from the whole team, starting from the very first call with the managers to till date, has been tremendous, and we are looking forward to for such support.
Okay, so just wanted to understand who helped you sign the store first. It was Harshit, right?
Yeah.
Super. So how did you guys come in contact with him, and how did you find his services?
So last year during September or October, I saw an ad campaign that was run by a company for the franchisees. So from that I got in touch with Mr. Harshmeet, and then I had a call. We discussed over all the possibilities, the requirements. Then we moved forward, like Harshmeet and Shaurya came down to our city, and they inspected all the locations we were looking forward. Then finally we finalized a place in the month of February, and yeah, things worked out well.
So shout out to Harshmeet for doing a tremendous job here.
Shout out to you as well.
Thank you. That's high praise, yeah. Thanks a lot. Just wanted to understand what got you guys interested into the detailing industry as a whole.
So both of us are school friends. We have been gearheads and into cars. Just name the timeline, we have been into cars. Recently did we realize that these products, these services are into trend, and there is not much of, there are not too many car detailers in the city of Calcutta specifically. We realized everyone owns a car in today's world. Everyone has at least one car, be it a 3 lakh car, be it a 3 crore car. Everyone wants to maintain it well. It's just a car spa that the services we are catering and giving to the customers, be it for a basic wash or a ceramic coating. Obviously, who am I telling? You obviously know the products, but customers needed these products, and you're like, let's go ahead with this. You are totally right about it. We just graduated. Both of us are 23 years old. We were definitely looking for a business venture to delve into, and Detailing Mafia just stepped right in the right place at the right moment. So yeah, it happened, and customers are liking our product, as Harshit said. Customers are liking the services. What they needed, they didn't have it previously in the city of Calcutta, and now I think with Detailing Mafia, they promise us on.
Superb. And what made you opt for Detailing Mafia franchising?
So,
as a whole.
Both of us were ready for a detailing business. So before Detailing Mafia, we had inquired all the possible options. So everyone knows all the competitors, but the products, the kind of support from the franchisor, then the infrastructure, and of course the cost, everything was so good that Detailing Mafia was our first option.
Moreover, adding on to that, there's a question that you have asked that one of the customers asked us today itself, that why Detailing Mafia? So I'll just tell you what I told him, and I think it makes sense. The infrastructure that Harshit spoke about, it's so youth oriented. Being two young lads, young entrepreneurs, it makes sense of we being in sync with something like this. The lighting, the graffiti, the infrastructure and everything, it's so youth oriented, it's so catchy. People have been coming and telling us, dude, it makes sense that 2 young guys are sitting over you, not some middle-aged man, because we are even liking the way you're explaining it to us. So everything fell in the right place, and it's a synergy, it's proper synergy.
So, and to add to it, for my viewers who are watching this, I'd like to give you guys a brief about how these people have scouted the things. They actually went in details about everything that we do. They asked us a lot of questions. This is also for the investors who are planning to invest in any business in general. Before investing anywhere, you have to be very, very sure that what kind of a brand you're getting in. For Harshit and Vineet, and plus for us also, it has been a family concept now. I know their fathers, their uncle, whomsoever have guided them in context of getting into the business, and they have asked a lot of questions, tough questions, good questions, and in most of the cases, I actually, to an extent that we also went with them to the landlords and negotiated with them, and these all things actually bought a lot. The whole team of us, it made it like a proper family for us. So that's something which I would recommend all our investors to get into a business which they can believe in. And again, no business can guarantee you 100% success, but 99% depends upon your effort and 1% on luck. And they have given their 100% effort in making this business as big as it has been, that you would be seeing in the videos that we attach with this interview of ours. The store looks very good, very, very eye-catchy, and it wouldn't have been possible without the hard work that these two lads over here have done. To our next question now. What has been the response to the customers and the locals who have been visiting to the stores now? And has there been any other consumers from other states who have seen the Board of Retailing Mafia and then came over here? Explain me and give us some stories.
Yeah, definitely. So as of now, I think we have had 3 customers who reside both in Calcutta and in Jharkhand. Most of the days a week, 5 days a week, they are in Jharkhand. They were just passing by, they saw the board, they were like, oh, Retailing Mafia, I've heard about this. Let me just get a car wash done over here. So we have had customers like that. We have had customers on the ceramic coating that we offer. So everyone must be knowing, and in case people don't know, I'll just tell them that there's a maintenance wash needed on ceramic coating once every 2 months. So I've been getting customers who are willing to get a ceramic coating done from us because of a national presence. They're like, okay sir, मैं आपसे ceramic coating करा दूँगा, but maintenance wash मेरी बाइक यहाँ नहीं रहेगी, Bangalore में रहेगी, Delhi में रहेगी. I'll get a maintenance wash done over there. So the fact that we are available and present nationwide, it gives customers that added sense and trust. Wherever I go in the country, I don't have a problem because these guys are going to be there in the city, or at least the capital of that state. So I won't have to face a major issue. So that is there. Moreover, brand value is there, obviously. Every time the customer walks in and he sees the number of cities on board, Agra, Delhi, Jharkhand, Mumbai, where all these cities. So it gives them the trust. Yeah, ठीक है, कोई ऐसे नहीं किसी ने भी नहीं खोल लिया detailing store. These people know what they are into. So
right.
that is working out well.
And at least every day one call we get, and the first line is like, oh great, now Retailing Mafia is in Kolkata as well. I have been to the Retailing Mafia studios in Bangalore, Delhi, but I was hoping and I was thinking that it will open in Kolkata, but now it is there. So I am staying in Kolkata, but I have visited the other stores as well. So they are really excited to come down to our studio, even if for a basic wash or a ceramic coating, they are really they travel approximately 20 kilometers just to get a wash. So they have this trust, and this brand image really helps.
Superb. And any specific stories you want to tell us about any of our good consumers who have been special to us? Any examples?
Yeah, definitely. So on our opening day itself, this is my our biggest story, that we should just print a testimonial and just keep it over here. On the opening day itself,
I'm planning to do that.
Yeah, on the inauguration day, a customer walked in and he had no clue what ceramic coating is, what PPF is, what nothing is. Like, he just knew कि गाड़ी पे wax होती है. He was like कि wax जानता हूँ सर, और क्या हो गया बताओ. He had an item. He came in, we explained him. So ceramic coating would give you this benefit on the car. Ceramic coating would help your car in the long run, give your car the factory finish back, the shine back on the car. Took us good 15-20 minutes. He was so convinced. He was like, sir, ये गाड़ी की चाबी लो, या advance लो, just book the car, अब coating करके मेरे को दे दे. was so satisfied. I'll share the picture with you. If possible, just upload that picture. Let consumers see the shine in the car. So that is the. I just recalled one more thing. Every day we have 2-3 people who are just passing by. They just stop over for a picture. People who have their videos, they upload videos on TikToks or Instagram Reels or whatever. They shoot over here. People like our setup so much that it's great to answer the question. It's great to understand, help them understand what this is, because they're coming in with that inquisitiveness. कि क्या है देख के आता हूँ यार. So it's helping us.
Also, many customers just came in and they were here for just a basic wash, but they were dicey about the ceramic coating. So what we were taught by the company that you should show a demo to the customers. So what we do a patch of their bonnet and we show how the process is done. And once the process is done, so there was one black Seltos, so he got a demo on his bonnet. 10 days after the bonnet.
1 minute.
10 days after the bonnet, he turned up saying, sir, you can see the difference. This bonnet is shining like a new car and the whole car is dirty. So seeing that, he got the ceramic coating done. So this free demos really helps us, and all these things were taught by the French company itself. By Shauryaji, Ashniji, everyone came down to our city, stayed here for around 10-14 days, gave us a proper training how to deal with the customers, how to convert potential customers into better sales. So we don't feel that we have taken up a franchisee, but we feel like we are into a partnership agreement with the main headquarters. So that kind of level of support we are getting on a daily basis.
That's high praise, yeah. You made my day, Harshit. This is a bothering question for a lot of investors and people who generally want to invest with other businesses also. As a whole, detailing community is a small community for now. It's a growing concept, and Detailing Mafia being almost we are the front runners in it.
Yeah.
Post COVID, there has been around 2 lockdowns in India.
Yeah.
Any suggestions and any message you have for investors? Because just for everybody's knowledge, when Harshit and Vineet invested in this business, we just came out of a COVID lockdown, and post every finalization and the construction just started off, and then we had another lockdown for 2 months, and it has been really, really scary. The second lockdown, the second wave of COVID has been very tough for most of the people, including Harshit and Vineet. They both had their they were down with Corona, and touch wood, to God's grace, they have recovered out of it. So just wanted to have some references or any message you have to tell the world what exactly it has been through.
Highlighting the fact that we got in touch with Detailing Mafia just after the first lockdown got over, around August last year, 2020. So we started the talks with them, and we thought that the situation is better, so let's go ahead with this business. And when we were in the construction phase, we had the second lockdown. So what I feel is this kind of business is the investors who are ready to come into this business, they shouldn't be worried about the lockdown or the negative impacts of the lockdown, because this majorly comes in kind of an essential services, because people, even if they are not going out of their homes, they want their car to be maintained. And during the lockdown, in the period when the car is affected the most, so we in the first month we operated during the lockdown. So the month of June, we had strict lockdowns for 15 days in Kolkata. We operated within that 15 days, and we did the maximum business in those 15 days during the lockdown. So people were trying to get e-pass and come down to a store and get their services done, because their car was in their parking lot basements for a very long period of time. So I really think that lockdown does not affect this kind of a business. Yeah.
That's reassuring, frankly speaking. At least for us, and for our viewers also who are planning to invest, this is something which actually we also abide by.
Yeah.
Again, see, this business has helped a lot of we. As a matter of fact, we have started doing ozone sanitization in the cars also. So it's done by our Kolkata branch. So anybody who wants to get their car sanitized also, that can be done over there at Kolkata Detailing Mafia. How satisfied are you with this work, and how do you think we can improve it, if in case you think there are some certain scopes to improve?
So right now we are more than satisfied with the work we are doing. Like Vineet and I, we are so excited to come down to the store every day. It's been 1 month since we have opened, and till date Vineet and I haven't taken a day off. So even if we, like, our parents tell us to take at least a day off once in a week, but we are so excited to come down to the store, see all these cars being worked on, and like we had days in which we had around eight cars in for ceramic, and we had to deliver it within 2 days. So that day, it's the last week we had a day, 2 days when we had 6 ceramic cars, and we had to deliver all 6 on the next day. So that day was the best day of our lives because Vineet and I went down and we personally did 3 cars. So we worked till 10 to 11 o'clock in the night. Like in our families, all our sisters, brothers, parents are really angry with us that we have not taken a single day off since the first month. But it's so exciting to come here every day at 10 o'clock and leave whenever the work is over, because like it's our passion. Automobiles are our passion. So we really look forward to working on each and every kind of car, be it a 3 lakh car or a luxury car or a sports car. So, and talking about the support from the company, I don't think there can be any other improvements by the company because we have got more than we expected. Like we have seen many businesses in which people take a franchisee of a main company. So in that case, you just take a franchisee and you have to run it on your own. But in this retailing market, we really feel that on a daily basis, we are in contact with the managers, Ratneji, Shauryaji, everyone. We get leads from them. We get scope of improvements, how to market a product, how to deal with customers on a daily basis. We get a proper training from them. So we never feel, and whatever doubts we have, starting from basic doubts with how to use this chemical to how to go ahead with the pricing strategy, each and everything, they are just a call away. So I don't think there is any area of improvement from the company. We are getting more than what we expected.
Oh, that's really high praise, yeah. Thanks a lot. And frankly speaking, to our viewers, see, I feel, Harshit and Vineet are, ideal, franchisee owners of ours. They're ideal partners for us because, they actually, are in flesh the example that we try to set in for our franchisee owners, that everybody who owns a business should know how to run it. They, as they said, that they by themselves do, polishing and ceramic coatings. That is wonderful. See, most of our franchisee owners or partners are trained for doing all kinds of ceramics. So, including me, young lads who know their job and love doing it up. Also, it's more of like they have found their ikigai. It's a new term which has been going around a lot. Ikigai. Yeah. And I think it's safe to say that they found theirs.
Yeah, so the training which we got, we were really excited during the training period. So we had informed like the trainer and everyone that first you need to train us, then you should move forward with the employees, because we are permanent here, so we should know everything, each and everything. So the training was really good. We had a 14-day proper training starting from the work we do to customer dealing, sales, marketing, each and every topics were covered in that. So seeing this support, like right now, Vineet and I both, we look forward. We have started planning for a second store. It's just 1 month in the first, but we every day when like Vineet and I are sitting in our chambers, the cars are being worked on. We try to figure out what are the potential areas in Kolkata which we can capture. So like for our second or third store, whatever it may be. So what are the areas that we should open so that the whole West Bengal is covered by us?
Right. So again, that was about to be my next question, that when are you guys planning for the second one? Because the kind of reception that we are getting there, I wouldn't want, just to, stall the momentum by any ways. Just for the knowledge of our viewers, we most probably would be coming up for a second store in some time, along with the paint booth and P-level paint concepts also over there, which also would be the first thing. That would be the first one done in Kolkata. The P-level paint and the clarity coat concept. Nobody else would be having that. Sorry, there was a call. My apologies.
Apologies on my end. I'm so sorry. I'm having to leave again and again. But I'm helpless. The mood is so good that the customers are coming in and I have to cater to them.
So we'll be wrapping it up shortly. Don't worry. is there what kind of difference do you see in us and our competitions? Not to just, brag about ourselves, but be very honest in case you find, somebody else doing better than us, or, or not, or we are doing better than them. Most probably the scenario would be the same. So give us, your thoughts about the same.
One thing that we've experienced over here is that our competitors are doing everything that they can to dupe the customers. They are quoting all sorts of things which are not there in the market. People are just. So sorry about that. So people are saying our competitors have been telling customers that there is 10H quoting, 12H quoting, 13H quoting on the cars. But again, that's not practically possible. So, and customers are falling in that trap. Customers are ready to believe, okay, he's giving me a better product. Why not go ahead with him? That is there. Moreover, there is this concept of 10 layers quoting, 6 layers quoting, 7 layers quoting, what you have seen in Calcutta. Again, from what our training and from what our individual R&D that we have done, from all the videos, from all the blogs, researches that we have read, that there is no such thing that is possible. It totally depends upon the application process. You can apply 20 layers of coating, but that's not possible because you are just applying the same thing again and again. So that has been there. Moreover, one more thing that has been there, I'm not going to take names in the videos, but 2 to 3 of our biggest competitors, they have been running a similar store, but it's not exactly a store. They have a small setup. They have been PPF, like they have been doing the PPFs on the cars and ceramic coating cars on footpaths itself. Not just any cars, luxury cars, super cars. So one good advantage that we have when a customer stops by over here, he's having the advantage of a nice setup. That if his car is in, it's protected, it's in a safe environment. So that customers weren't getting over here. If customer wanted to go for it, it was only the authorized OEMs. That is something the customer could go for, nothing else. So that is our advantage, I feel, over here.
Also, talking about the competitors, we had a couple of cars which was ceramic coated a month back. They paid hefty amount of money, like 50,000-60,000 for a ceramic coating, but the customer was not happy with the product. He bought in his car. He said that remove all the existing ceramic coating, reapply your products. Because the kind of warranty we give with a proper warranty card and assurance to the customer with the maintenance wash free checkups, no one else can do that in the West Bengal area.
Exactly. So for my viewers who are watching this, I just want to, add to their feedback and their description. See, the thing is, if in case somebody is saying that 5 layers, 6 layers of coating would help, it does not. The coatings need to bond with the clear of the car. That's how your car is going to get protected. That's one. Second is, a PPF applied on a road which is running wouldn't give you any kind of protection. Why? Because the dust settles before you stick the PPF on the car, and it has grains inside which would scratch the surface, and it's going to be as bad or even worse once peel off the PPF. Plus, obviously, the kind of gumming that we provide in our PPF, the quality that we have is next to impossible for anybody else to match with. Obviously, that's our claim and we stand by it. So be very sure about where exactly you're getting your installation of the protection done, because it matters a lot that the kind of surroundings and the infrastructure you have to protect a car on the basis of whatever service you chose. Because detailing is not a easy thing, or it's actually an art, and that art needs an infrastructure to operate upon. Why? Because you need dust-free zones, you need proper curing time, you need proper curing places where dust does not fall on the ceramic coatings, and your beloved cars and your beloved as a matter of fact, a baby of yours who you're spending so much to make them protected from elements which are present any which ways you cannot avoid. So in that case, you need right places and right people to apply and protect your cars with. So that being said, our brand have all those infrastructures in place, and specifically for our viewers in Kolkata, Harshit and Vineet knows their stuff. They have been trained for the same thing. You should visit their store once, give them a chance regarding same. They have been doing wonderful job. I can vouch for it personally. And yes, we are that damn good, to be precise. Any feedback that you guys have regarding us as a brand? Obviously, you have been showering us with good praises, and thanks for that. But there should be some reality check also for us, if in case we have any. Give us your thoughts regarding any feedbacks that you want to let us know about.
It's sort of a praise again, but hands down, I genuinely have to appreciate the support that I've been getting from you and Harshneet ji personally. I mean, I wouldn't expect this, that you gave me a call and you were like, Acha, I've landed. I was going from Itanagar to Delhi. I had a layover. I'm just coming to your store. I did not expect that, and you just came over. Harshneet ji, when he was here, he was like, just leave it. I'll do the coating. I'll teach you. You learn from this. And the way he taught us, it's still retained in our mind. When Kunal sir came to Calcutta, the day he was sitting with us over here, he was like, just take out your diary, take out your pens and note down these things. This is how you function. And trust me, till date, we feel that whatever he told us that day, it was actually helpful. So there were some things which, keeping the business aspect of it aside, as young lads, we have got to learn from the three of you. So we are really, really, really helpful about that. Apart from that, again, the few changes that they've asked us to do, that has to be done for that, the architecture work that is still left, that is on the architect's end. Apart from that, no, I don't think I have any other complaint or any other point that I need to discuss with you, because at each and every point when we have to seek some help, it has been solved, and it has been solved in the best way possible.
We just hope that we have an Eastern office soon, so that all the we get a the whole
just for the knowledge of our viewers. Harshit, sorry, interrupted. You were saying something.
Yeah, I was just saying that we hope that the Eastern office is set up in a very less span of time, so that all the process we are dealing with at Delhi right now. So this is the time it takes. It will be really helpful if the office is very nearby.
Right. That's for sure. So just for the knowledge of our viewers who are watching this, we are expanding very, very far on a very high and a fast scale in East India. We signed Kolkata. We're coming up another store there. We have recently we'll be inaugurating a store in Guwahati. We're coming up in Itanagar. We are in talks with a lot of other places nearby. I wouldn't be ruining the surprise, but we will be coming up very soon with a lot of new places in East. And Harshit and Vineet have been our lucky charm for East, to be very frank. And they have been like our family to us. And I and Harshit, I can speak for him because we keep on discussing on the same. We look forward always to go to Kolkata and meet the two lads here, and talk business, talk family, plan what all is coming next, and talk shop. That's one of our passions, and we love to share that with every of our franchisees. It was a pleasure talking to you guys, Vineet and Harshit. You guys are always a peach to speak about, and we can assure you that the best is yet to come. And let's hope that we rock in a lot many more locations as we speak. Right? Have a nice day, guys. We'll be speaking soon.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.